Okay, so today I'm going to help you learn how to make the half double crochet V-stitch. Now what you're going to want to do before we get started is you're going to want to take an eye or a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook and some worsted weight yarn and chain an even number. After you've chained your even number, you're going to want to single crochet in the second chain and in each stitch across, and so you will have an odd number of single crochets. So an even chain leaves you with an odd number of single crochets. And once you do that, come back and I will show you how to work the stitches. All right, so once you have that single crochet foundation row, you're going to chain one and turn your work. Now, a lot of times our chain will count as a stitch, but not in this pattern. So you're going to work a half double crochet into the very first stitch. All right, so we've worked our half double crochet into that first stitch. And now what we're going to do is we're going to skip the next stitch and work a half double crochet V-stitch in the stitch after that. All right, so you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch and pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's your first half double crochet. Now you're going to chain one, and then you're going to half double crochet into the same stitch. So that's yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that's our first V-stitch. So now we're going to skip this next stitch and work a V-stitch in the stitch after that. So it's a half double crochet, a chain one, and a half double crochet. Then we're going to skip a stitch after that and we're going to work a half double crochet, a chain one, and a half double crochet into that next stitch. Then we're going to skip this stitch here and we're at the end of our row for this swatch, and we are going to half double crochet into the last stitch. Now you are going to chain one and turn your work, and you're going to half double crochet into that very first stitch, and you are going to now work into the chain one spaces that we made in the previous row. So this is our first chain one space. So we're going to work a half double crochet, a chain one, and a half double crochet into that chain one space. So we'll work a half double crochet, a chain one, and a half double crochet into that chain one space. And then we're going to do the same thing into this next chain one space. So we'll half double crochet, chain one, and half double crochet into that space. And now we have this chain one space. We're going to half double crochet, chain one, and half double crochet into that chain one space, and then we will half double crochet into the top of the last stitch of the row. All right, and so that is, we've made 2 V-stitch rows. Let's do one more together. So we'll chain one and turn our work. We're going to half double crochet into the first stitch, then we're going to work into the chain one spaces. We're going to work a half double crochet V-stitch into each of those. So that's a half double crochet, a chain one, and a half double crochet, all into the same chain one space. And then we're going to work another half double crochet V-stitch into the stitch right here. So we'll half double crochet, chain one, and half double crochet into that space. We have one more chain one space, so we will half double crochet, chain one, and half double crochet into that chain one space, and then we will work a half double crochet into the last stitch of the row. All right, and there you have the half double crochet V-stitch. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day and happy crocheting.